SuperSync is software for Mac and Windows that lets you compare and merge all of your music libraries on multiple computers and devices. If you have music and video libraries at home, the office, on laptops, on iPods, iPhones, and disk drives, SuperSync can help you move and sync your iTunes content from one library to another, easily and intuitively. First, we'll run SuperSync on all the computers that have music or video libraries that we'll want to access. SuperSync is available for Mac and Windows, and with discount pricing is less than $10 per computer. Let's take a look at what SuperSync can do. SuperSync will look familiar to anyone who uses iTunes. Your local library will be displayed, showing albums, artists, playlists, ratings, and so forth. You can show files by media type, and SuperSync will also help identify duplicates, incomplete albums, missing tracks, and other potential problems with your library. SuperSync's primary purpose is to compare and merge any two libraries. So let's take a look at how that works. Any library you're comparing your local library to is called a remote library. Remote libraries include other network SuperSync libraries, disk drives, and Apple iOS devices, which include iPod, iPhones, and iPads. All computers on the local network that are running SuperSync are listed in the Connect to LAN server menu. Here, we'll connect to another PC in the office. Now, we're looking at both libraries at the same time. SuperSync uses color codes to let you quickly identify where each track is. Gray tracks are only in your local library, blue tracks are only in the remote library, and green tracks are already in both libraries. Let's start by getting tracks from my Windows library to my local Mac library. To do that, simply select blue tracks from the remote machine and click the Get button to start the copy process. In addition to copying the files, the tracks are automatically added to iTunes, keeping your ratings, played counts, and other metadata. When the tracks turn green, it means the file has been copied successfully and is ready to play. To send music from my Mac to the remote Windows machine, just select the gray tracks you want to copy and click the Put button. You can also use the Sync button to copy tracks in both directions, getting remote tracks and putting local tracks. Not only does the application synchronize music files, but it will also sync your movie files, playlists, ratings, and other iTunes information. The built-in networking feature lets me access my home library when I'm on the road or at the office. Let's look at the transfer status window to see the progress of the files being synchronized. Okay, we're done. Check out the number of tracks on the Mac and Windows machine and you can see both libraries are the same, 100% synchronized. Now we can close the remote library and we're back to seeing just our local library. We can connect to an iPod, iPhone, or iPad from the remote menu. Once connected, SuperSync will display its contents using the same color codes. Any tracks that are blue are on the iDevice and can be transferred to your local library. You can use SuperSync to move music, movies, and playlists from your iPhone or iPod to your work computer quickly and painlessly without duplicates. When you're done, remember to close the remote library. SuperSync can also import an iTunes library on another user account that has read-only permissions, or sync the contents of a backup disk full of your music and videos. SuperSync includes a media server that lets you play your MP3 audio files and MPEG-4 movie files from a web browser. Here, I'll connect to my home library using a web browser. Just enter my username and password, and my library is online. To help explore your music, SuperSync includes a one-keystroke ability to search popular websites for additional information on any track in your library. You can search iTunes, Amazon, Google, Lyrics, YouTube, and other websites to find more content from your favorite artists. We've covered SuperSync's main functions: comparing two libraries, merging content, remote access, backing up, and discovering more about your music online. Visit SuperSync.com to purchase a copy of SuperSync for every computer you keep music on. The 10-pack is the best deal, and extra licenses make a great gift. A full-featured trial version is also available at SuperSync.com, so you can try it out before you buy. Thanks for watching.